Greetings to Lesedi publishers and staff. My name is Axolile Zabeko and I will be presenting a poem that is titled Death. And this is how it goes. Death. Your apparition eradicates our happiness. You usually grip the most loved souls. Our happiness fades away within a blink of an eye, while relatives are pounded in tears like a gliding river. Look when it strikes in families with deficiency, and there is no one to implant, not knowing what to touch nor let. It is unbearable even to utter explanations. We are seeking for its power, because its days are even sour. Painful choruses, tearing apart our innocent hearts, not to say fearfulness. Death, you demolish like a cyclone. You let no peace. Your apparition is vicious to our hearts. Death, where do you come from? And that is the end of the poem. I thank you.